Today we are going to cover one thing and one thing only, and it's how to create an inexpensive customized logo for your needs. Now, when you create a logo, you have really two options. One option is to go to Fiverr and all those template-based websites and ask them to create your logo based on someone else's template. Now, there is a problem here because the logo is supposed to be customized to your business needs, right? So it's a problem. You don't want to do that. From the other side, if you go to a designer, you will end up with $500, $600, $700, $800, even $1,000 for a logo. And also it will take lots of time. And another problem, the designer that you are going with is the one that is really creating the logo, and it's per his creativity. So you have creativity of one person that costs lots of money, okay? That's the way that I used to work until a few days ago. Now, there is a new solution, and there is a website that will basically, once you request a logo, they will put it out there, and multiple designers are creating the logo for you at the same time. So when I created the project, I just entered my company name because I'm rebranding my company. So I created the logo, brief description, what I'm doing, which is consulting, and the target audience, which most of my clients will be 30 to 60 years old, and the colors will be blue because that's what I use until now. And I also chose few templates that I liked. Now, multiple designers are starting to create my logo, and they're starting to upload it. Now, once they create those logos, all those are custom made for my needs. So this one is from this designer, and this one is from this designer. So it's really, you have different designers bidding. Now, once I'm getting, let's go to unread. Once I'm getting those logos, I can actually rank them. So let's say this logo is not for me. So I will click on it and I will give it 1 star, and I will click on submit. And this, for example, logo, it makes more sense for me because there is the growth on the left side. The wording looks okay. I will give it 4 stars. Okay, now as I go, so let's say there is a logo that I think is okay, but it's not perfect. Let's say this one. So I like the growth, but the growth is not for me. So I will click on it, I will give it 4 stars, and I will communicate from this text box with the designer, and I will give him my feedback, okay? I like the logo, but the left side icon is too big and not exactly matching my needs. Please revise. Okay, now I started this project almost a day ago. It's like 19 hours ago, and until now I got 40 different designs, which most of them were fine. And from all those, I'm supposed to pick up the winner. Now, in the next 19 hours, I will work with the designers. I will revise them. Now, there is one more trick that I can give you. When you think that you have the right logo, don't say yes and don't select the winner. Just take the logo, post it on your Facebook, and ask your friends and the people you know to tell you if this logo is good. Now, what I'm usually doing, I will just snapshot the entire, all the logos that I like, and then I will have that as a picture, and I will upload to Facebook all of them. And then I will ask people, between 1 to 6, which one do you like more? And then you're getting a real feedback from real people. So let's sum everything up. Logo can be done using templates, around $30, $40 for a template based. The problem is it's not your logo. It's not matching your company spirit, your energy. It's not yours. From the other side, you can work with a custom-made designer The downside is extremely expensive, and you're working only with one person and with his creativity. Okay, sometimes it works great, sometimes not really. And the third option is this option. I will share this website URL. I will share it on the bottom of the video just so you will have it. And they will give you for $100 or 120 something like that. They will give you the option to work with multiple designers. And whenever you work with them and you see something that makes sense for you, you can ask for multiple revisions. It's unlimited revisions. You're limited for 2 days, which I like it because I like to go into the project and finish with it instead of working forever on the logo. So I have 2 days. I'm working on the project. Once I have a great logo, I'm putting it on Facebook, letting people bid on my top 6, and then I'm done. I have my logo, you're getting the files, and you're done with the project. Great option. Again, works for me. Check it out. Maybe it will work for you. See you in the next session.